Now guys, we start the IUPAC part 2. If you are able to see that, we are start with the cyclic compounds. Sir, what is a cyclic compound? So if you are able to see that in cyclic compounds containing a hydrocarbon in cycle, they are called as cyclic compounds. We are classified in two types: homocyclic and heterocyclic. What is the difference, sir, between homocyclic and heterocyclic? So if you are able to see that homocyclic containing a only carbon and hydrogen chain, this is called as homocyclic. Now if you are able to see that heterocyclic compound, so heterocyclic compound is nothing but they contain a carbon and hydrogen and other also compounds also, carbon, hydrogen and other compound also, like this is a carbon, this is nitrogen other than hydrogen. So this is called as heterocyclic compound. Okay, now understand bond line formula. Now we start with bond line formula. Why we start with the bond line formula? Because in the bond line formula, if you are able to see that, like if we write like this ch3 ch2 ch2 ch3, so we have to write in the very long way. So we, in the organic chemistry, we use the bond line notation formula or bond line formula, in which we does not show carbon and hydrogen, and always show in the zigzag line. Okay, now this is a butane 4 carbon chain, that is called as butane. Okay, so we can write 1 2 3 4, this is called as 4 carbon, also called as butane. So this is a shortest way to write in the organic chemistry. Now in the second example, if you are able to see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon and having two other compounds, so we can write in the zigzag line 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 and 2. Now we numbering with this 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if you are able to see that in this there is a 6 carbon. Now the groups are on second and fourth position, so we drop the groups in second and fourth position. Now this is the correct structure of this compound, and this is called as 2-ethyl 2,4-dimethyl 2,4-dimethyl hexane. Now understand homocyclic series, or we can say homologous series. Sir, what is called as homologous series? They are having a mass by or we can say difference by CH2 or mass by 14. Now they are classified in alkane, alkene, alkyne. Now what is alkane? CnH2n plus 2. Alkene is CnH2n and alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Now in homologous series, the difference is mass by 14 or CH2 group. In alkane, the general formula, they are the general formulas. Okay, now when the n for carbon numbers, when 1, so we can write as a CH4, 2 is C2H6, 3 is C3H8, 4 is C4H10. Now if you are able to see that in this difference is CH2, in this difference CH2, in this difference CH2, so this whole series is called as homologous series. Okay, now in alkene, we cannot start with the 1 carbon. The minimum carbon for alkene and alkyne, we need 2 carbon. Similar like this, C2H4, C3H6, the difference is CH2, C3H6 and C4H8, the difference is CH2. So this series is also called as homologous series. Okay, now the alkyne is, if you are able to see that C2H2, C3H4, C4H6, the difference is CH2, so we can say that directly this series is also called as homologous series. Now when I say about the homologous series in alcohol, okay, so in this we can say that this is CH3, this is CH3 CH2, this is CH3 CH3, so this is OH, this is OH, this is OH. In this difference is CH2, in this difference is CH2. So they are called as homologous series of alcohol. But there is an exception in the homologous series also. Now what is the exception case in? So exception case in amine. Now in this we are going with the degree. Now sir, how we go with the degree? Now this is called as 1 degree amine. The 1 degree amine which is attached with one side of carbon. So this is 1 degree amine. This is also 1 degree amine. This is also 1 degree amine. And there is a difference is CH2. There is a difference is CH2. So this is a series of amine of homologous. Okay. But if you are able to see the next example, A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. In A and B there is a difference of CH2. So they are homologous. Okay. But because they are 1 degree amine and 1 degree amine. But in C, if you are able to see that there is a 2 degree amine. So this is not be homologous of with B. Okay. But if you are able to see D, D is having a D and B. D and B having a difference of CH2. And D is also having a 1 degree amine. So D and B, we can say they are homologous of each other, but C is not be homologous of A, B and D. Is it clear? So we can say A, B and D, they are homologous series, but not C. Not C. Now similar like exception case, homologous series in phenol and alcohol. Homologous series in phenol and alcohol. If you are able to see that, we can say directly phenol is at when benzene group having a OH directly attached, that is called as phenol. And we can say alcohol when benzene ring attached with CH2 having OH, that is called as alcohol. Okay. Now if you are able to see that they both are having a CH2 difference, so this is called as homologous. In this you are also having difference of CH2, they are also called as homologous. But if you are able to see that in phenol and alcohol, you are able to see that difference is CH2, but they are not homologous. Okay, there is a difference of CH2 but not homologous. Okay, this is an exception case. Okay.